having scored. Mbappe steps up first. And Mbappe rattles it in. Messi with such immaculate poise. Coleman. Great stop! Martinez is punching the air again. Dybala down the middle. Tchouaméni is stretching wide. Firm, low. He must. He has. Montiel.